Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show us how to make an emergency stew or sauce. Okay, in case you have as you could make Sunday rice and stew, and then all of a sudden maybe that same Sunday or the next day the stew just got finished while the boiled white rice is still remaining. So what do? You may not need to start making another stew afresh or go store it in the fridge. So you could just make an emergency sauce if you have fresh tomatoes at home, because this is the season of tomatoes, so you can always have tomatoes and fresh pepper at home. So once you have this and this, you're good to go. The only thing is you just need to look for somewhere to buy smoked iced fish. So with these 4 ingredients, you will get a very good, delicious emergency sauce for your rice. Okay, so let's get cooking. Notice the burning. You see it's already burning, the onion. Okay, it smells very nice now. So I just start cooking. Just to also have to try some essence that it will get to that point of getting burnt. I mean the pepper before I'm going to add the tomatoes, the diced tomatoes. Okay, so the pepper is a little bit burnt right now, shrinked as well, and it scents very nice right now. So I'm just going to add the tomatoes. So while this is frying, we'll add some thyme to it. We also add some curry to it, curry powder. And some turmeric, very little. And then allow it to cook. The turmeric is giving it some kind of yellowish color. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to add some seasoning cubes. Gosh, these guys are strong. Yeah. Okay. So at this point, I'm going to add my smoked fish. And this is ginger extract. So I'm going to add some to it. Give it a stir again. Wow, smells nice. And at this point, I just put this here. allow it to cook. Okay. It's ready. Tastes nice. This is where we call it a day. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. You can try this out. It is so nice, guys. So nice. I tell you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.